Welcome guys to another video here. So we have a pork loin wrapped in bacon. So here we have our pork loin. We have our bacon. So let's get this out of this packaging and get it going. All right, now that we have everything out of the bag, now we're going to start to lay the bacon down. All right, so now that we have the bacon down, now we put our pork loin at the very edge. Now let's see if we can just roll it. It worked last time I did it, so we'll see. Okay, so just like that, see? Now we're rolling it. Oh yeah. Just like that. Nice and rolled. Perfect good bacon. All right, and the rubs that we're going to be using today is going to be a two thing. We're going to use HowToBbqRight's the barbecue rub and honey hog. So here we go. Now we're going to come in with a little bit of sweetness of this honey hog. All right, so now we're going to turn it over, do the same thing. We'll be back. All right, now that we have both sides done, we're going to set the Traeger at 275 degrees. The pellets that we'll be using today are like always, the pecan pellets. And we're looking at about 2 hours maybe. So we're going to see how long it takes for that 275. So one more thing that we're going to be using to make sure this comes out perfect is our meat stick, wireless meat stick. So I can just be in there watching the playoff games, looking at my phone, keeping tabs on it. All right, so here we have it. We're gonna go set it in there. And internal temp for a pork loin or any pork meat is 145. I like mine a little bit higher, so mine I'm just gonna be at 150 to 155. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our Traeger. Also, another thing that we're gonna do that I learned from last time I did this, towards the end of the cook, right when it's at maybe 140, I'm going to crank it up to about 350 to 375 just to get the bacon a little bit more crispy. Last time the bacon seemed like it was cooked, but it wasn't right where I like it. So today we're going to crank it up towards the end for that extra 15 degrees and get that bacon nice and cooked. All right guys, our Traeger is up to temp 275. So now we're just going to add this right in the middle, and then I'm going to keep my eye on the app and wait till it hits about 140 to come out and turn up the temp. We'll be back when it's ready. Alright guys, we're back. So the meat stick has informed me that it's at 140 degrees. Oh my god, look how nice that looks. Woo-wee. So now we're gonna check the bacon. Bacon's a little soft, so now we're gonna do is raise that temp to 350 and try to get that bacon nice and crisp. We'll be back when that's ready. All right guys, we're back. The meat stick has informed me that it's ready, and look how nice that looks. Look at that. Oh yeah, buddy. All right, let's go ahead and give this a try. All right guys, we're back and this looks amazing. So it took us 1 hour and 15 minutes for it. Traeger temp was at 275. Once it hit 140, I raised it up to 350 to get this bacon the way it looks right now. Ooh, good. So let's go ahead and take out this meat stick. There's a link in the description. You guys want to try this out, and it's really damn good. Oh man, I like this thing. Makes it easy. Now let's just give it a cut. Look at all the juices. So my internal temp that I like it was 155. Normally it's 145, and that's where you guys are good to go, but I like it more at the 150 to 155. And here it is. Look at that. That barbecue rub from HowToBbqRight, good. And I taste the sweetness of the honey hog from Meat Church. So I'm gonna add a little bit of barbecue sauce, and this is probably how I'm gonna eat it. Just a little dab barbecue sauce, just like that. This is good. Make sure you guys leave a like. You can just subscribe. Check these videos out. There's more great videos out there. See you guys next time.